This is Abdullah Kishmalik, class CIS 148, programming using Java, and this is week 9 assignment, which is creating menu. First, we created a text file and we put our text in it so that it can be easily modified and we can see how it is going to be displayed, and then just call it into the application and print it, which is how we learned when we did the read-write files. Uh, the selection is going to be from 1 to 9, and whichever I'm going to select is going to run that program that I created in this assignment. We had the other assignment including this assignment. To start the application, first I had to import all the libraries, and the way to do it, go to libraries and add project, then add all my project to my library, so that then I can call them into the program. First, we need to read the file, the text file that I created, and to display the information that I wrote in this file. Then take a user input for to see the selection. And for the selection, I made a switch case in case the user inputs number 1 is going to run the first one, which is week 1 assignment, week 2 assignment for number 2, and so on. And number 9 for this week assignment. And I did not need to import a library for that. I just called the main class itself, so it's just going to rerun it again. And in case anything out of the range of from number 1 to 9 is going to show invalid selection, and my input has to be an integer. I found that might create a problem in case I input a letter or anything like or a character, but for this assignment I just use the integer input. Now to run this, let's copy this so that we don't have to do it again. I can run it in here with no problem. It will run normally. But this is number 1. This is week 1 assignment, and it will run it. Now to run it in a command line, this is the assignment itself. For example, let's run number 9. It will rerun the program itself. And let's choose any other assignment. For example, number 6, which was the challenges. That might be a little bit long. 3, 5. So it's just running it as we run it in the program itself. But now, since we created a jar file, we can actually run it in the program.